Hello everyone, this is Christy. I'm going to share with you a package that I received from Scrap Diva Designs. Erica is the owner and she reached out to me to be a guest design for the month of March. I'm going to open the package and see all the dies that she sent. And then in another video, I'm going to make the samples. Here is a thank you card and it has all her information. I'm going to leave that information in the description box so you can visit her store. The owner is Erica and many of you know her because she is a crafter in YouTube too. And you can find all these dies at her store. This is the first one. I'm going to open to see if there are more dies here. Yeah, it's a 3-tier tray. And it comes these pieces and also these pieces that are the sides. And you can make the boxes with this. And there are more pieces right here. So it's a lot of pieces. And I'm going to share with you my samples in the next video. I'm going to put this one on the side and show you the next one. This one is just these two pieces. And I'm going to open it to show you closer without the glare. Look, it has 3 pieces here and 3 pieces right here. And these are A2 pocket. See? So these are pretty big, see, to make pockets. And now I'm going to show you the next one. And here are the dies, and it comes with an outline. And this one says chocolate. This one says egg. Right here says happy. It says spring, Easter, candy, and then right here says garden and hunt. See? And these are Easter words number 1. And the size is pretty big too. So I'm going to check another one. And look. This is a beautiful frame and it has right here vines with flowers. So this one is going to be a very nice frame. And it says A2 card box add-on flowers. See? Beautiful. I love working with dies because you can use a lot of your scrap of papers. Look, this one is a planner paper clip set. So as you can see right here, these are like the clips and this one goes on top. And as you can see, it has 5 different dies that we can put together and make a beautiful paper clip. See? Then right here, this one is an ice cream bunny. And right here, it has the bunny head. And I think that the cone will go here. And there is a small one too. So I'm very excited to create something with all these dies and put them together. And these are all the pieces that come in this die set. See, so there are several of them. And see what I can make with them. Then right here, and this one says 3D egg carrier. So this one is going to be to carry eggs. So it's going to be very nice to give a gift in a carrier, right? A nice eggs inside, maybe some eggs with a gift inside. And look, it comes with more dice inside. See? So you get all of these to embellish outside and inside. See? Beautiful. So I'm going to put it on the side. And this one is a carrot. It says carrot mini album. So we can make a mini album with this one. And this one looks like grass. See? And right here is the carrot shape. And this could be the pages. So I will show you what are going to be my creations using these dies. And look at this one. It's so beautiful. This one is a shabby chic circle mini album. And it's another mini album. You can use it as a frame. You can use it in a card. Like this is beautiful. Perfect for any card. Or for maybe in a gift tag or something. So this is super, super shabby and beautiful. Look. See? Then right here I have different words. And I'm going to show you. It says Easter words number 2. And right here says Jesus. It says peeps. It says Christ. Family. It says celebrate. Then right here says flowers, and right here says greetings. So these are very nice words for Easter and for any time of the year. See, like celebrate for birthdays, greetings, family. Yay, very nice. Then right here it says 3D vintage storybook. And look at this. This one looks like for making a box, and it has more dice right here. Look, it has the spine. Then right here it has this for the cover, and it says a storybook. And right here says a storybook in handwriting. So you can use any of these to decorate. Very nice, and it has a lot of pieces. I love it. And right here it says butterfly set. It has 4 different sizes of butterflies, as you can see right here. Big one, medium, and these 2 small ones. And right here has the same center for each one in different sizes. So you can make 4 different sizes of butterflies. This is super cute. And you can make them shabby. You can make them bright. Any color you see in your stash. And I love all of these designs. They are amazing. So I'm going to start working with all of these dies, and I'm going to show you maybe in parts because there are too many. And just stay tuned to my channel for the next video. I'm going to leave the link of Scrap Diva Designs in the description box. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.